कॉन्टेस्ट होती है उसमें इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि एक पैकेज देखा जाता है, आपके लुक्स, आपकी वॉक, पर्सनालिटी, रैम्प प्रेजेंस, और प्लस ये एडिटोरियल के लिए है तो मैगजीन में कैसे शूट होगा, किस हिसाब से प्रोफाइल अच्छे है, बोन स्ट्रक्चर अच्छे है, वो देख के हम लोग सिलेक्शन करते हैं. I think Max as a brand is, from what I saw, is very youth centric, and it's sort of upper end high street. So especially on the models, it sort of gave us a better idea of how the clothes fall, how they fit, what are the sort of themes. But I think the casual sort of look was my favorite. I think for India, I think for casual wear, cotton is of course a great fabric because it's sort of breathable. It lets you, it goes from day to evening very easily. And for evening, I think given Indian weather especially in Mumbai where it's so hot, I think chiffon and georgette are what really work nicely for a dressy occasion in Bombay or even Jersey. I think those who are walking the runway are definitely, it's more challenging than being judged. But as a judge, you want to be fair, you want to give everybody a good chance and make the best selection possible so that the best person can win. So it's challenging, but it's also nice, when you're sitting from the other side and being able to pick the best for the competition.
I've come as a judge over here to judge the Max Fashion Icon of the Year, and I think it was a great event because there were a lot of good deserving contestants today, and I was really happy judging the event as well. I think the main point when you're judging them is that they should have a good personality. They should be confident to carry out any kind of looks given to them. It's definitely a tough job because modeling is not easy. It is hard work and you have to be in control of the way you look and the way you're posing. You have to be fit, so there's lots of things to do while you're modeling. I am taking part in Lakme Fashion Week. My show is on the 12th of March and I'm really excited to show at Lakme Fashion Week every season. I think there'll be a new change of silhouettes, new colors. It's spring, it's one of my favorite seasons to show, and it's going to be a new very comfortable collection again, so I'm looking forward. It's totally summer fashion, it's very comfortable, easy. It's always, the essence of my label is always to be comfortable, practical. The clothes should be versatile, and that's what my Fashion Week collection is going to look like.
Keep watching and subscribe to Bollywood Wala now.